Hi, in this section, I will show you the type annotation of a Swift and what is type annotation and how does type annotation works. Well, as you know, Swift has many types, many ways of assigning types to their values. Like the first one I've been showing you is the type inference. Type inference is like the type inference I've been showing you all along way on my previous videos. I've been showing you type inference, and I'm gonna give you an example of a type inference. Is a type inference like this one. Let name equals, if we say let name equals Swift and playground, this is the type inference. Okay, this is a type inference because the string is the value we assign to the property name is in a string of type inference. Well, Swift has a sophisticated way of code that's called type annotations, and now we'll show you. But before I show you the type annotation, as you know, I'm recording the voice after finishing to record the code, the stream of the code, and I will comment this for you. This is a type inference. Let me know this is a type inference, okay? And I will send type inference. And now after this type inference, I will go to show you how type annotations work and how we can write a code of type annotation. And this is a type annotation. I'm going to write type annotation, the abbreviations, and this comment code those slash mean we are commenting the line. Let name, we use type let name 2 dot the string, and string is a Swift let name string let name. Now this is the way you can create a type annotation. Okay, my bad, sorry, here I mistake something because the string have to go, the string name should be equal equal to the value string, like the integer equal to Tony. Here you see Xcode is warning me there is an error, but I was going faster and I was trying to record this faster and finish it and then post it. And now you can see also it's warning me again, because why Xcode is warning me, because I got two names, both name into the type inference, into the type annotation. I have to change the property. Now I say name one, the first one is the name, the second in the type annotation is name 2. Now Xcode knows that I'm talking about two different value names, property names. Okay, it's two different. The one called just name, the other one is assigned with number, name 2. And now we're gonna say I would say the int here's dot int, to that int, and double dot int, and that's mean 2020 is an integer. To know int is stand for integer. Okay, and now we're gonna say and I said that lifetime is a double, and we assign to the double, and let also is the for Apple developer. Yeah, we create another constant. We assign that constant for Apple developer, and we assign the constant to a boolean, that is a bool, short term, it's a short term written bool, it's a boolean. Okay, and now if I run this code, sorry, the boolean should be equal true. If I run this code right now, you're gonna go see, we can see it right now in the preview of the playground. We can see there the code will work. You can see all those values came out: Swift, playground, Tony, 12, Tony, true. And now the type annotation helps us. We can recall these values one by one if we want to. Just writing name, you recall the value, then it's a Swift playground. This is all to go back. You have to know about type annotations. And I show you how type inference and type annotation works. Thank you for watching. Jabril. Thank you.